In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro to Strava. By the end, your workouts from your watch will flow into your Strava account automatically, so your runs, rides, and walks are all in one place. Before we start, make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on and a reliable internet connection. It also helps to have both Strava and your Huawei apps updated to the latest versions and your watch powered on and near your phone. Begin by opening the Strava app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a moment to load your feed and check for any prompts. This ensures Strava is ready to accept a new device connection. Next, go to the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Depending on your app version, this might appear as your profile area. This section is where your account settings live, including all options related to gear and connected services. From there, tap Settings, usually represented by a small gear icon in the corner. This opens the control center for your account preferences, privacy, notifications, and most importantly for today, device connections. Now tap Connect to Device. Strava will display a list of supported brands and services. This is the hub where you link approved trackers so your activity data can be shared safely and consistently. Choose Huawei from the list and then follow the on-screen instructions that appear. At this point, Strava may guide you to confirm the connection in the Huawei Health app on your phone and prompt you to approve certain permissions. This is normal and necessary, so your workouts, heart rate, GPS routes, and related metrics can sync to Strava. Keep your watch nearby, and if a pairing or authorization message appears on the watch screen, accept it. If you're asked which data types to allow, enable the ones you want visible in Strava. The initial handshake can take a minute, so stay on the screen until you see a confirmation. Once connected, future workouts recorded on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro and saved to Huawei Health will automatically sync to Strava when your phone is online. If you don't see a recent activity right away, open Huawei Health to refresh, confirm Bluetooth is on, and give it a few moments to transfer. Also, make sure you're using the same Strava account you intend to sync with. That's it. Your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro is now linked to Strava, and your training history can travel with you wherever you go.